everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do my plan with me in my personal planner. This is my planner that I use for YouTube and for Stampin' Up. So we're going to be planning the week of March 12th through 18th. Just going to take these pages out, take off my little reminder, and I picked this sticker kit. I thought this was really cute. And I would tell you who it's from, but I do not recall. And I don't see it on here anywhere. But I just like to take the washi and put it down the middle. And a lot of people ask where I get my inserts. These are from jpaperie.com. It's JEEPAPETERIE.com. And I have the inserts that are lined in half and then just a box on the other half. And these are the personal planner size. And they fit both the, well, the personal planner from, I think, anywhere, as long as it matches the holes. And you might even be able to choose how you want your holes to be, but I don't remember. I just get this same kit. This is the second or third year I've used this same kit. I really like it and it works well for me. I have the monthly as well as the weekly. And I just think it works out perfect. And I am just using up these full boxes by just putting them wherever. No rhyme or reason really, just wherever I think they might look decent. Doom, 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 doom. And one more. I think I'll just put it right here. All right. And I'm gonna put payday on Friday. Oops. And I'm gonna put this over here so I can write some things down that I know I need to get done this week. So maybe I'll put a to-do sticker. And I need to put a plan sticker. Let's put that there. And this computer's cute. I'm gonna put this right here because I definitely need to do comments, and that's a good reminder. Then I have this, but I think I'm going to cut it. So I can just list a couple things that I need to do each day or whatever. To do today. This here, and then maybe I'll put, I think I'll put little things, which to me kind of means the same thing, just things I got to do. Oh, 17th anyway, because it is St. Patrick's Day. And it's also my niece's birthday. So I think I'll use this sticker to indicate that. Oh. And I think I'm going to use these too because they're so cute. Filling it up with stickers. That might be good. Let's see what it's like when I start writing, if I need anything else. Okay, so I know that I need to do comments. And I need to schedule a live. And oh, I still need to do my insurance video. So I'm gonna put that here. And that's an insurance video that I want to do on how you can get your protein shakes for free. And I'm just going to write comments here and here and here. It's my niece, her birthday. And let's see, I need to do a card series. And I need to do some tips. If you guys have any tips that you would like for me to share, please leave them in the comments below and I will be sure to give you credit for them if I use them in a tip video. I'd like to get ahead of doing some tip videos. I have them already scheduled, so I need to get going on that. I'm going to even write that down here. And the new Stampin' Up! Catalog, I need to look at that. And I think that might be it right now. I can't think of anything else that I need to do. Well, there's the coffee and card thing that I had the idea. I need to, I guess, check into that, see if I want to really do that. Coffee and card, and then maybe develop a card that I can start that in April if that's what I decide. Okay, so that is that. Let's go ahead and get this week in my planner. And there you go. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.